According to psychology, women over 40 are generally quicker at achieving orgasms than women under 40. During states of arousal and orgasm, the hypothalamus in the brain releases the feel-good hormone oxytocin. Men's hearts, on average, beat around 70 to 72 beats per minute, whereas women average between 78 and 82 beats per minute. A woman's clitoris grows throughout her life, and when she hits menopause, it actually becomes almost 3 times as large as when she was a teenager. A woman's egg is typically fertile for a relatively short period, usually between 24 and 48 hours after ovulation. On the other hand, sperm can survive within a woman's reproductive tract for up to 48 hours, and in some cases, even longer. This overlapping time frame is one of the reasons why conception can occur even if sexual intercourse happens a day or two before ovulation. Psychology says pretending not to care is the habit of someone who generally cares the most. Some studies have suggested that orgasms may have a positive effect on reducing menstrual cramping or dysmenorrhea in some women. During orgasm, the body releases endorphins, which are natural painkillers and mood elevators. These endorphins can potentially help relax the uterine muscles and reduce the intensity of menstrual cramps. A woman can orgasm in about 4 minutes through masturbation, but it will take her 10 to 20 minutes to orgasm during intercourse. According to a study, frequent arousal and orgasms can persist into old age, even when individuals experience a low level of sexual desire. This suggests that sexual satisfaction and enjoyment may still be achievable for some individuals as they grow older, even if they don't necessarily feel a strong urge for sexual activity. According to a recent study, stress can potentially have a negative impact on a woman's fertility. High levels of stress can disrupt the normal hormonal balance in the body, affecting the menstrual cycle and ovulation. Studies have indicated that women may perceive pain differently from men in some situations. Women's bodies are often found to have a more robust immune response compared to men's bodies. This can lead to women being more effective at fighting off infections and diseases in some cases. Research suggests that women suffering from migraines report higher sex drive. The study showed that information could last longer in the mind of a person evaluated for it than if it were only examined without the need for instant recall. It's true that studies have shown women tend to cry more frequently than men on average. This difference in crying behavior may be influenced by various factors, including hormonal, social, and cultural aspects. In a recent study, older women have reported that sexual satisfaction tends to increase with age. The study also found that even women who are not engaging in sexual activity still report satisfaction with their sex lives. Psychologically, when you meet someone for the first time, you have only 7 seconds to give up your first impression. Studies show that women have better cognitive memory than men. A study by the Journal of Neuroscience shows that the corpus callosum in the female brain is larger, which allows women to multitask more effectively. According to research, the vaginal pH is typically acidic, with an average of around 4.5 on the pH scale. Women are often found to have a better ability to detect hues and shades of color compared to men. Intelligent people often have a tendency to avoid unnecessary disputes and may choose to remain silent or not engage in arguments when they perceive it won't lead to a productive outcome. They prioritize thoughtful discussion over conflicts that may not yield a resolution. Research suggests whenever you think of someone a lot, it is because that person was already thinking about you. Anything that your mind says has an identical response from the body's cells. The only physiological response in a human body that cannot voluntarily stop once it has started, apart from orgasms, is a sneeze. Research has suggested that women may be more likely to trust a person who hugs them for more than 15 seconds. However, it's important to note that individual preferences and comfort levels can vary, and trust is influenced by numerous factors beyond the duration of a hug. Research suggests that women on average may have a more acute sense of smell compared to men. Some studies indicate that women's sense of smell can become even more heightened before or during ovulation. Women can exercise 75% longer than men due to their estrogen level, making their muscles significantly less vulnerable to fatigue. Post-workout is a great time to have sex. Working out releases testosterone in your body and also circulates blood into your genital area. Psychologically, most women prefer a dark place over a well-lit place to have sex in. Having sex with an older woman increases the size of testosterone reserves in your body. Research indicates that shaving or removing all pubic hair can be associated with an increased risk of certain sexually transmitted infections, STIs. According to one survey, 75% of women agreed that clitoris stimulation makes them achieve an orgasm fast. A woman's clitoris contains over 8,000 nerve fibers, almost twice that of a penis. On average, a woman will experience approximately 450 menstrual periods in her lifetime. This number can vary from person to person and may be influenced by factors such as hormonal birth control use, pregnancy, and menopause. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new facts. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below. Also, make sure to check out our next highlighted video. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.